Hey guys, let me show you how I season my chicken before I go ahead and cook some stewed chicken. So I have some chicken that is already clean and washed nicely. I also chop it up in some small pieces. I will go ahead and add some chopped onion, scallion, thyme. I will also add some scotch bonnet pepper with some garlic. And of course, if you have other ground seasoning that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so. I will add just a little bit of black pepper, also some seasoned salt. And please note that if you have more powdered seasoning that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so. I will also add some of my paprika. You can add a little bit of cayenne pepper as well. And of course, I'm going to go in and add some all-purpose seasoning. I will also add some browning, and you can add any browning of your choice. It's up to you, because I know some persons, they do have their different brands that they love to use. Remember to be creative, and remember to be you in the kitchen, and just utilize whatever you have at home. So once I add all of that seasoning, I will go in and combine everything well. And again, if you don't want to use the browning, you can always go ahead and make your own browning using the sugar. And once I combine everything well, you want to make sure, first of all, that the chicken is nicely seasoned and coated in all of that seasoning, because of course you want it to be tasty and nice. And it's coming along quite fine, and I will even show you guys how to cook this. So stay tuned for all of that goodness. So once the chicken is nicely combined, I will go ahead and just get a nice cover dish, because we're going to cover it and just leave it for later use. So this is the cover dish that I'm going to use today. So I'm going to go ahead and just pour out the chicken in the cover dish. And of course, we're going to go ahead and just close it up and just place it in the fridge until we are ready to use this. Again, I'm going to show you how to cook it, so stay tuned for all of that. Make sure that you subscribe, and make sure that you tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. And make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's CallieKitchen_1. And I can tell you straight off that this is amazing, well seasoned, and just ready to go. And my family did enjoy, yes. And I also serve it up with some pumpkin rice, and I will share the recipe with you guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cover it like I said, and you want to ensure that it is covered properly. And then we're going to place it in the fridge. And this is it. So in the fridge we go, and see you guys tomorrow.